section member. Good day, sir. I am Abinis Yamantilio Jr. and I am from section A. And this is a real estate system, the Amantilio Property Co., where it includes client management system with dashboard, property and listing, management, furniture inventory tracking, user authentication with GWT tokens, Firebase integration, email verification and notifications, payment processing, data records, management, activity logging, Google Connect, integration, marketing, and landing page. So here in my code, sir, is start. We have my SRC where these are my controllers. These these are my controllers where routes go. Then my data fixtures, my entity. This is my entity, sir. Activity, furniture, etc. It records here in my database, Montillo DB. I am using localhost phpMyAdmin. Mm, Also, here's the form, sir, of my entity, the repository, security, also for the GWT and login authenticator. And my twig, where I design the UI here. So I will not explain it individually, sir. Here, sir, I disable these two compose so that I can use the Doctrine, Symfony, the Doctrine, PHP, and MySQL. So this is the Docker file. In the Docker file, I have services. This is my app. I my yeah app. I know my database, MySQL. It it uses the variable in the env. Then here's my PHP where its Docker file is kaniyang gitawag, sir. Docker file. Mo ni ang akong Docker file, sir. Later I will explain that also. Tas here it uses all the GWT secret key. The app, I named the app Engine X. This app is here. We can see it here in Docker. If we run this, we can say our system. So in short, Docker can also deploy a project but not publicly using Docker. So in order to deploy it public, we use Railway so that others can access. Then in order to connect the phpMyAdmin, the MySQL database, the app, I am using the network named Amantillo Property Network. As you can see here, the network is visible here. Also in my app, Nginx, here, so that they can connect to each other. And move on, this is my Docker file. From Composer 2, then the work directory is the app, the syntax copy, Composer JSON, Composer lock, run, Composer install. Then I am using PHP 8.4. In the runtime, I am also using PHP 8.4. There's runtime from this PHP. Then move on to ENV. This is my ENV, sir. This is the variable root password. The database name, Amantilio DB. The user, Amantilio user, and password. The app env is dev, then the secret is I made it like this, and then here this parts are the mailer. This mailer DSN is coming, this code is coming from my Brevo. This is coming from Brevo. The email registered in Brevo is this Gmail, my Gmail, and I name it the Amatillo Property Co. so that they can see what company give that verification. This is this part. This is my GWT secret, public and passphrase. That the Google OAuth ID secret. Then Firebase credentials, because we're using Firebase in our app dev and we implement it here in backend. This part, sir, as you can see, this is the ANB example, so that if we push it to GitHub, it won't error. Also in vlocal here, you can see the OAuth ID client. What's more, Docker ignore, .git, git ignore, and vlocal. What else? Excuse me, sir. Also in config Firebase, we also add here, sir, to connect it to the what will this front end. And also here in our packages, security YAML, the access control, where admin and users staff can access what what is their role. Like for example, activity logs, only role admin can access. Notifications, role admin, and etc. That's it, sir. Now, part. GitHub. This is my GitHub, sir. Amantilio, Abinis Amantilio. Then my repositories is web deployment. I name it web deployment. Here, sir, I only have 4 commits, because when I process the deployment or configure, I use it dash dash first. So for example, this fix 11, then I made changes in my code, I push again. It If I use dash dash first, this fix 11, this all will remove, then the new push will be pop up here. That's why it's 4 commits. I late na ko naka-realize ana, sir. Manang fix 11 ang gisugod diri until diri, sir. Wala ko gagamit ang dash dash first. And that's it. That's my commits. My source code. Dara, sir. Ano? Source code is kani. Ano siya, sir? Na-direct na sa GitHub. And pag push ani niya, sir, ay na-push na siya, sir. To deploy this, I am using a Railway. To deploy in Railway, I connect it my Google account here, then use the GitHub. It reads the GitHub repository I named web deployment. Then in variables, in database URL, I use the MySQL URL, so that this deployed system is not using this database, this database, because Railway has its own database. In order to add that, just click here, add database MySQL, and I already did it here. It has its own database, as you can see, sir. Here user ana lahi ang user diri sa kuan diri lahi siya. Mo na siya sa pag-deploy. Completed source code deployment, creating, configuring the hosting project, connecting GitHub repositories, setting environment for configuring database, running migrations. To run the migration, sir, I use this command: docker exec doctrine migrations migrate to migrate, sir, in docker. Then fixing deployment issues is if encountered. Yes, sir, I encountered so many issues and errors, sir. The ring light, ring light na cellphone. The sometimes here it won't appear online. It will say crash. I guess in history we can see remove. Nato say na crash diri, sir. Thus, in order to fix that, I just redeploy it or restart until it will online. Then, to, mo na to, punta. Wala man. Dara, sir. Kato na crash ya. I just redeploy it, sir. Thus, in my domain, I just generate a domain here. Then, use the port 8080. Why? Because, as you can see in my code, sir, Docker migrations, I use the port 8080 in my app. This port 8080. That's why I use here. Then just save, sir. Then if I click this, let me close this one first. It will go to the system where I deploy. Then sign in to see the CRUD. Let's see. So the account diri, sir. Ato lang tawag, sir. I forgot the accounts. Abinis Amantilio. Okay. Abinis Amantilio. And password. Then let's make a CRUD. Let's make another property. Let's make another property. Name it condominium. Condominium status is available. Let's price it 5 million. Address Bagakay, Dumaguete. Then muha raw picture sa Google, sir. Okay, let's use this one. Save na ako ni sir. Name na ako ni siya. Condo. Then, mo tayo itong pilihan ng picture. Condo. Create property. Then, makreate na ito siya diri, sir. Properties. Na to siya diri. Condominium. Makita na po ito siya diri sa overview. Property. Tara. Edit. Mo na to siya. Pagkanya na to price kay mahal ra. 3,500,000. Di. Tara, sir. Tas, kinanta, delete na to kaysa CRUD create. Read, dara sir ang view. Read mo na siya. Condominium. Ano, tas delete na to sir. Delete. Delete. Then wala to siya dari sir. Wala sir. Mo to sa crude sir. Yung hosted crude forms, database operations, etc. More to siya sir sa akong system, kabahin. Nasa user management, and also rin sir makakuha din ang system with profile picture. Push notifications, makasensig notification sa client. Pabayro na siya sir. Challenges encountered, how you solve deployment problems, and lesson learned using deployment. My challenges encountered sir is the deployment. Dugay kami ito naka-deploy. Then, in order to solve that deployment, I'll be honest, I am using AI, the cursor, to deploy. Then with the help of cursor, I deployed my system, but I still encountered some crashes. That's it. That's why I want to deploy it here in Railway. Lesson learned in deployment. The lesson I learned in deployment is I learned how to deploy, and the feeling of you have your own website, the feelings, what the feeling of you have your own website deployed that can access to your family, friends. Pwede mo pahinambog sir. I appreciate that I deployed one website, and also in our updev I has an application also. That feeling is beyond limit. That's all my system sir. The code. Thank you and good day.